We're here again at Ebisu Circuit for the summer drift matsuri, and as you can see, the Beercan Skyline is functional again. I've done a whole bunch of work to it over the past few months, but we'll talk about that on the next video. As you can see right now, it's getting towards evening, the sun's going down, and one of the best things about Ebisu Circuit's matsuri is you can go drifting at night, but no headlights. I did previously install an Auxbeam light bar in here, but I had to take it out because, silly me, I accidentally shorted it on the battery, which fried the control unit. So the whole RGB function that we saw last time, it doesn't work anymore. Another thing about that light bar was that it was completely straight, which meant when you went around a corner at night, you sort of couldn't see left and right. Like, it was a really bright light in a straight line, but maybe not the best idea for drifting. But luckily for me, a few weeks ago, the people from Auxbeam sent me another email saying, would you like a new light bar? So I said yes, but this time send me the curved one. And they sent me one. So this is the one they sent me. It's the 52-inch curved model. As you can see, it's not straight, it has a bit of a bend to it, which means it'll project better over a bigger angle. And a lot of people said in the comments, like, why didn't you get the curved one to look better? Well, I thought the RGB function would look funnier for drift car, and you know, it kind of did, but we're going to use this one this time. The way I installed it last time was, here's the Auxbeam brackets, which I just bolted to the bumper stay. And it almost fits exactly, but we might need to move one of these a little bit in. So I'll pull off the bumper and get it fitted up, fit up the wiring, and then we can go out drifting here at night. Luckily for me, I can probably still use these old mounts, but let's see what the fit is like first. Yeah, make sure it doesn't fall down. Is that the right bowl? Oh, that's not it. It turns out that Auxbeam has made their hardware beefier than before, so I have to use these new brackets because these new bolts won't fit in here. And that's about it for installation. We're done. There you go. So all we have to do now is basically just plug it into the battery, run the switch to the cabin, and that's it. And then just aim it. We're done. A fuse, relay, and on-off switch. Look who just pulled up. Ah. Hi. どうも。なんで？ペロタンと思った。違う。A setting? It's the boss of Agent K's, because this is Peloton's car. Remember the cut to a shot of that. Peloton desu! Yeah! Doing tuning on the course here. That's going to be us pretty soon, hopefully. All right, let's get back to it. Negative back on. Okay. Right, let's do it. So we'll turn this off. Switch. Here we go. Okay, on. Off. Do it again. On. That's ridiculous. All right, let's go up to North Course and try this out. Okay, switch on. Lights up the whole mountainside. Alright, so we'll try out North Course tonight. What's going on over here? Some missing bodywork. So this course, it's not entirely, well, dirty lens. This course isn't entirely dark, but it definitely could be improved with a light bar. I haven't put the front bumper on yet because we're gonna have to trim it a little bit to fit around it, but that's okay. We'll do that tomorrow. We'll make it look pretty tomorrow. For now, we'll go out. Okay, light bar on. Alright, truck clear, let's go. That guy's got no brake lights. Okay. So get a bit of a gap. Okay?
Yeah.
Good. Oops, sorry.
So when we lost this bumper, we're gonna keep that one.
Oh, it's good fun. And where's the switch? And light off. So 52-inch Auxbeam curved light bar. Can you turn it on? Ridiculously good here at Ebisu at night. So turn it off. Thank you. Ridiculously useful here at Ebisu. Thanks to Auxbeam for sending one of these through to me. If you like it, there's a link in the description. Yeah, so I didn't install the front bumper. I want to do that because it looks better with the bumper installed. Have to trim it a bit. So we still have one more day of Ebisu Drift Matsuri to go. Let's cut to tomorrow. It's the next day. It's almost 5 o'clock here on Sunday. So Matsuri has finished, but here's what the Skyline looks like with the light bar installed and the front bar installed. To be honest, it might be a bit of overkill, the 52-inch bar from Auxbeam. If I was going to be more sensible, I'd get like 2 smaller ones that would fit in there so it'd look a bit neater. But I don't know, I like the sort of RoboCop look of this huge light, and it lights up everything. Like this, it's not really that bright here at night at Ebisu Circuit, but I had zero worries driving last night with this. So if you're interested in this or any other Auxbeam product, have a look at the link down below. You can buy this one. They ship it straight to you. It's really quick shipping. Like they said, we're gonna send this to you. It arrived in like 2 days. I did go driving all day today. I did film a bit of that. I got a pretty good scene with Sunaga from here. I'm gonna put that up on the Norio 2 channel. You can check that out. as well. And I will do a more detailed video about what we've done to the Skyline the next time, because it's got things like, have a look. You see it there, we've got a full set of arms from Otomoto, strengthened rear subframe, but we'll talk a bit more about that next time on the next video. But until then, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Team Red Stage!
Yeah.
예.